Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a easy breakfast smoothie in my Vitamix A2500. Alright, so here you can see I got all my ingredients laid out and I have my blender here, which is the A2500. I love this blender, you guys. It's a really good blender. So first I normally start off by adding about a cup and a half of silk almond milk. I use a vanilla flavor that is unsweetened. Don't like to add any extra sugar other than the natural sweetness of the fruit and everything that I add. So the next thing that you'll see that I'll put in here is a little bit of Greek yogurt. Now there are several different kinds that are on the market. You can get Greek yogurt that is from Oikos that has like 0 sugars at all, and this time I just used the Walmart Great Value brand because it was the cheapest at this time. I was being really cheap, but anyway, it's just Greek vanilla yogurt. Add the Greek yogurt to add extra protein into this particular smoothie, and it gives it a little bit more vanilla flavor as well. So next I'm going to put everyone's favorite kale into this. I just buy the bag of kale that you can get at your local grocer. I think I got this at Walmart too. I normally get my kale from Whole Foods, but again, I was already at Walmart. No need to go to 2 different stores. So when you put this in here, you can just open it and you can put a handful. I'll try to put a good size handful. My hands are pretty big, so your amount may vary. Alright, so we're done with that. The next thing that I try to put in here is my fruit. So I use frozen fruit straight out of the freezer. You can get it just about everywhere. My favorite comes from Whole Foods. I get their organic 365 frozen fruit. Normally get the tropical fruit medley, and that has strawberries, mangoes, and pineapples and bananas in it. I think I was running pretty low on this, so actually didn't get much out of it, so I had to go into my backup frozen fruit, which is from Walmart. It's their Great Value strawberry and banana. And I'm going to use that basically to make up for the lack of my tropical medley. I like the strawberry bananas because, of course, hey, who doesn't like strawberries and bananas? Plus, it gives a little bit of sweetness without being overly sweet to the smoothie. So after I put in my fruit, that's when I go ahead and add in my protein powders and anything else like that. I'm using PB Fit here to give it a little peanut butter taste without actually using the Jif that I have there. It's actually less sugar than the Jif. And I'll just add about 2 tablespoons of that, heaping tablespoons. I normally go for my chia seeds after that. The chia seeds is just extra fiber. Bought this on Amazon. It was actually pretty cheap. I think it was only like $5 for that container. And that container will last a long time. But I'll go ahead and add about 2 heaping tablespoons of these as well. So, you guys, I had bariatric surgery. We're supposed to take protein daily, protein drinks. I used to drink the Premier Protein, but I just found that those, as my after the surgery, that I don't like the taste. So I've been using this Genepro, and that little bitty capful is 30 grams. So I'm required to get at least 60 grams of protein in each day. So it's really nice to have just that one little cap to be basically half of my serving that I need. And it's tasteless. It totally blends with anything. I'm also adding some organic flaxseed to this as well, just for the extra fiber. And I think I only add about a tablespoon of that. So if you're using an underpowered blender, you may not be able to break down the walls of the flaxseed, so you may get a little of the grit sometimes. But this Vitamix does an excellent job of blending. Um, it's also Bluetooth enabled, so if you, for instance, get like an 80/20/300, you can actually use the smoothie setting, even though you don't have the preset like I'm showing you here, which is going to run for about 50 seconds. I pull the water out just in case if it's too thick and it stops blending, then I can add a little bit of water to the mixture instead of adding more milk. But as you guys will see, I won't need that at all. So continue to let that blend. It may not look too pretty. It's not a deep green or anything like that, but I can assure you guys this is pretty delicious. So, you guys, I know it doesn't look that pretty, but I promise you it's really delicious. Alright, so now that that is finished, let me grab a glass. Um, so I can pour this out for you guys because this is really, really delicious. Alright. So one thing you notice is that pouring this out, it is really thick and luscious and creamy, like a smoothie should be. Who needs tropical smoothie when you can make your smoothie at home and save the money? Not $6, not $7. This was absolutely, well, low cost at this point. You just gotta buy the ingredients. So I guess, hey, over time, making this 3 or 4 times a week, you're gonna save money. But you guys, this is really delicious. So I hope you guys do decide to try this recipe. I will be coming back with the Vitamix as well, with different recipes. So we do thank you for watching, and we ask that you like this and subscribe to my channel for more. And we'll see you later.